Hello children, welcome to trigonometric identities part 3. Okay, in this part I will explain how to read the trigonometric table which is given in the back side of your textbook. Page number, you can open page number 451. Okay, three tables are given: sine, cos and tan. Page number 451. Okay, page number 451. Before going to the table, I'd like to make you revise concepts or the values that you have studied in class 9. This I had given in class 9: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These 5 angles are called standard angles. Okay. Now I had given the values for sine, cos and tan. Also for cosec, sec and cot also I had given in class 9. Okay. But those three are not important. Now we simply need to know how to read the tables of sine, cos and tan. So let us begin. See, sine 0 degree is equal to 0. You might remember I have given all these values. Okay, sine 0 degree equal to 0, sine 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, sine 90 degree is equal to 1. So if you analyze from 0 degree to 90 degree, how are the values of sin theta changing? 0 to 1 means increasing. Okay, so from 0 to 90 degree, 0 degree to 90 degree, sin theta increases. Okay, remember this: from 0 to 90 sin theta increases. Now look at cos. Cos 0 degree is 1, 30 degree root 3 by 2, 45 degree 1 by root 2, 60 degree 1 by 2, 90 degree 0. So by moving from 0 degree to 90 degree, cos theta changes from 1 to 0, means decreasing. Okay, so from 0 degree to 90 degree, cos theta decreases. Remember this. Okay, then what happens to tan theta? 0 to 90, first 0, then 1 by root 3, then 1, then root 3, then not defined or infinity, means very large value. Okay, 0 to infinity, again it is increasing, so tan theta increases. So remember these three. This is very important in order to read the trigonometric table. This is very important. Okay, from 0 to 90, sin theta increases, cos theta decreases, tan theta increases. Remember this. Okay, that means when angle will increase, value will increase for sin theta and tan theta. Okay, but cos theta will decrease. Remember this. Okay, now let us move to the trigonometric table, page number 451. See, if you look at the table for sine, okay, it has different rows and different columns. Okay, the general outline is like this. Here degrees are written. Okay, I'm just making a rough picture of the table because I cannot show this here. Like this: 0 minute, 6 minute, then 12 minute, means multiples of 6. Okay, every minute is not given. 1 minute, 2 minute, in this way it is not given. 6 multiple we are taking. Okay, plus 6, 0 minute, 6 minute, 12 minute till 54 minutes. Last is 54 minutes. Okay, after that we have mean differences. Okay, we have mean differences: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I think you are able to see. Look at your book. Okay, then only you can understand. This is the first row. Okay, degrees will be written here. These are minutes: 0 minutes, 6 minutes, 12 minutes till 54 minutes. These are mean differences. I will explain what are all these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. In this way, it continues till in page number 451. It is till 44. Okay. If you move to the next page, okay, the second page is also for sine. So it is still 90. Okay, it is still 90. So in the first column, degrees are given. In the first row, minutes are given. Okay, and you know from lower class, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Correct? 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Now let us see how to read the table. Let us go for sine first. I will not take any standard angle because standard angle values we know. Okay. Suppose I want to find sine 50 degree. 50 degree is not a standard angle. Look at the table. Okay. First column. Look at 50 degree. Sine 50 degree. Okay. Look at sine 50. Second page. Okay. It is in the second page. Then move to 0 minute. Okay, move to 0 minute. 50 degree means 50 degree 0 minute. Okay, so sine 50 degree is equal to sine 50 degree and 0 minute. Okay, if you look at sine 50 degree and 0 minute, the corresponding value is written in the book. Okay, given in the table 0.7660. 0.7660. Okay, so this is the value of sine 50 degree. Now let us move a little deeper. Suppose sine 50 degree and 36 minutes. Okay, son, look at 50 degree. Look at 50 degree. Ready? Then go for 36 minutes. Okay, first row. Look at 36 minutes. 50 degree and suppose here is 50 degree. Here is 36 minutes. Move down like this and move in a row. Okay, like this, horizontally and vertically. For 50 degree horizontally, for 36 minutes vertically. Okay, you will get the point of intersection. The corresponding value you have to see. Okay, so sine 50 degree 36 minutes is equal to, it is given, you can see in the table, sine 50 36 minutes. Okay, is equal to, it is given 7727. It is not 7727, it is 0.7727. Okay, 0.7727. Okay, now suppose sine 50 degree and 40 minutes. Minutes are given in multiple of 6, so it was very easy to find 36 minutes. But 40 minutes is not given. You can see in the first row. Okay, look at the first row. 40 minutes is not given. After 36 minutes, 42 minutes is given. Okay, 40 minutes is not given. So you have to break this. Okay, you have to break this. It can be written as sine 50 degree 36 minutes plus 4 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes can be written as 36 minutes plus 4 minutes, no problem. Okay, now what is sine 50 degree 36 minutes? You can locate from the trigonometric table, or we have just located. Okay, sine 50 degree 36 minutes is equal to 0.7727. So I am writing here 0.7727. Now the concept. Okay, plus 4 minutes mean the angle is slightly increasing. Okay, the angle is slightly increasing. When angle increases, what happens to sine theta? Okay, in the beginning I have told you, when angle increases, value increases in case of sine and tan. So plus 4 minutes means angle is increasing, so value will also increase. For that reason, plus. Do not think that I have simply copied this plus here. No, this plus is not copied here. In case of cos, it will be minus. Why minus? Because in case of cos, when angle increases, value decreases. So in place of plus, I will put here minus. Okay, so don't think that this is copied here. No, it is not copied. It is by concept. Okay. So angle increasing, value will also increase. Now let us go for 4 minute. Now how to look at this 4 minute? Go for the mean differences. First row, okay, first row to the last. Move to the last. Mean differences are given 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are given, okay. Mean differences. Now look at sine 50 degree, okay. Look at sine 50 degree and 4 minute mean difference, okay. Look at it. Sine 50 degree and 4 minute mean difference. If you get the point of intersection, move horizontally for 50 degree, move vertically for 4 minutes. You get a point of intersection, okay. The corresponding value is 7. Look at your book table. The corresponding value is 7. 7 is not 7, it is actually 0.0007. Remember this, always there will be 4 digits after the decimal place. Always 4 digits after the decimal place, just like this. Okay, so 7 is not 7, it is 0.0007, 3017. If you add these two, you will get 377. So this is the value of sine 50 degree and 40 minutes, 0.7734. So this is how to read the table of sine. Just in the same manner, we can read the table for tan. Let us go for tan. It will be very easy, just like sine. Suppose I want to find tan 68 degree. Okay, go for the table for tan. It is in page number 455. Okay, till 44 degrees given. So move to the next page. Move to the next page. Tan 68 degree. Okay, look at in the first column 68 degree. 68 degree means 0 minute. Okay, tan 68 degree and 0 minutes. Look at it. 68 degree 0 minute is equal to, it is given in the book, 2.4751. 2.4751. So this is the value of tan 68 degree. Table you don't have to by heart, okay? It will be given in the exam. Okay. Next, let us move to tan. Suppose 70 degree and 42 minutes. Okay. Tan 70 degree 42 minutes. 42 is a multiple of 6, so it must be in the first row. You can check. 70 degree and 42 minutes. You can check 70 degree 42 minutes. Move horizontally for 70 degree, move vertically for 42 minutes. You will get a point of intersection. The corresponding value is given 8556. You can check 70 degree 42 minutes. The corresponding value is 8556, but it is not 8556, it is 2.8556, because you can see 70 degree 0 minute. Look at 70 degree 0 minutes. The value is 2.7475. So all the values for the remaining minutes for 70 degree will be 2 point something. So don't forget that too. You have to always see what is the value at 0 minute. Okay. So don't write in a hurry 8556. It is 2.8556. Okay. 2.8556. This is the value of tan 70 degree and 42 minutes. Next is tan. Suppose 54 degree and 50 minutes. Okay, 50 is not a multiple of 6, so you will not get 50 minutes in the first row. So tan 54 degree 50 minutes can be written as tan 54 degree 48 minutes plus 2 minutes. 50 into 48 plus 2, 48 is a multiple of 6. Now your first work is to locate tan 54 degrees and 48 minutes. What is the value? Okay, 54 degree. Okay, locate the value tan 54 degree and 48 minutes. The value is given 4176, but it is not 4176. You can look at 54 degree 0 minute, the value is 1.3764. Look at the value for 0 minute, 1.3764, means 1 has to be added. So it is not 4176, it is 1.4176. 1.4176. Now, don't just copy plus. Understand the concept. Plus 2 minutes means angle is increasing. Maybe by a very small quantity, but the angle is increasing. When angle increases, the value of tan theta increases. Okay? We studied in the beginning. For that reason, plus. Increase then increase plus. Now look at 2 minutes in the mid difference for the same 54 degree. Same 54 degree. Okay? Same 54 degree. Look at the value for mean difference 2 minutes. You will get 17. Look at the table, you will get 17 for 2 minutes. Okay? 17. It is not 17, it is 0.0017, because I told that always there will be 4 digits after the decimal place. So if you add, we will get 3, 9, 1, 4.1, 1.4193. This is the value of tan 54 degree 50 minutes. 1.4193. Now let us move to cos. It is different from sin and tan. Okay? Opposite. Angle increase, then value will decrease. Angle decrease, then value will increase. Opposite. Okay? Sin and tan are in directly proportional relationship. Angle increase, value increase, and cos theta is inversely proportional. Angle increase, then value increase. Okay? Move to cos. Suppose we want to find cos 40 degree. Cos 40 degree means cos 40 degree and 0 minutes. Locate it, you can easily locate it. 40 degree 0 minutes. The value is 0.7660. 0.7660. Okay. Now let us find the value of cos 52 degree and 36 minutes. 36 is a multiple of 6, so it can be easily located. 52 degree. Move to the second page for cos table. Cos 52 degree. Okay. 52 degree. Locate first 52 degree. Okay. Then locate 36 minute. You will get a point of intersection. 52 degree and 36 minutes. The value is 6074. Now go for 0 minute first to verify is there any value before the decimal sign. There is no value, so it is simply 0.6074. 0.6074. So cos 52 degree 36 minutes is equal to 0.6074. Okay. Now let us move to suppose cos 22 degree and 22 minutes. Okay. All degrees are there, 0 to 90, but all minutes are not there. 22 is not a multiple of 6, so it will not be there. So you have to break this, split this. (22 degree, 22). 22 minutes can be written as 18 minutes plus 4 minutes. Okay. First look at the value of, means find the value of cos 22 degree and 18 minutes from the table. Cos 22 degree and 18 minutes. Cos 22 degree and 18 minutes is equal to, it is given in the table, you can see 9252. Check for 0 minute. Before decimal sign there is no value, so it is 0. Okay, nothing means 0. So it is 0.9252. 0.9252. Now go for the concept. Plus 4 minutes means angle is increasing. In cos, When angle increases, value decreases. For that reason, here minus. For that reason, I have told that simply do not copy the sign. Go by the concept. Okay, sometimes it is plus, sometimes it is minus. Sin 10 then plus plus, cos then if plus then minus, if minus then plus, opposite. Okay. Now for the same 22 degree, go for 4 minute mean difference. Look at the value. What is the value? 22 degree mean difference 4 minute. Okay. 22 degree mean difference 4 minute. You can see the value is 4. Okay, the value is 4. 4 means it is 0.0004. There should be 4 digits after the decimal place. So 0.9252 minus 0.0004 is equal to 0.9248. So this is the value of cos 22 degree 22 minutes. 0.9248. Okay. Remember, in the question means in the exam, you will not get any direct question from this part. Means find the value of cos 22 degree 22 minutes or find the value of sin 31 degree 36 minutes. Like this question you will never get. Okay. This part will be attached to the next chapter, height and distance. Okay. When we will move to height and distance, we will use this table. Okay. Trigonometric table. Not get any direct question from this. Indirect question will be getting. Okay. You may get, you may not get. Okay. And if you get, you may get. First thing is you may get, you may not get. Second thing, if you get, then the question will be not direct, it will be attached to height and distance. Okay. So this is how to get the trigonometric tables of sine, cos and tan. The remaining 3 ratios tables are not given. Okay. We don't need also. Okay. So this is the end of part 3. Thank you.